Hello, folks. Welcome to my quick review on how to research profitable niches. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks, so if you are interested, click that first link in the description below and find out what Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier has cooked up for you. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab how to research profitable niches in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 of my star bonuses. The first bonus is an affiliate marketing business made easy, so you can learn how the latest trends and strategies to outperform other affiliates. And access a comprehensive list of resource articles for your benefit. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic so that you can make money online. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So if you get a high converting gig, as an example, you can buy it from someone else on Fiverr and then sell it to your buyer at a much higher price. And bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income. And this is crucial. It is a recurring passive income. And bonus number 5 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and all you need to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, the vendors behind this product are 2 well-known product creators and vendors in the self-help niche. They are Jonathan Tang and Jason Yu, and they provide instant content solutions to busy internet marketers. They are behind the brand Profit Experts, and Profit Experts have over 30,600 sales on Warrior Plus. And you should seriously consider this product for your coaching and training success. It's a great package for those wanting to build an internet marketing business and comes highly recommended. In a nutshell, how to research profitable niches is a done-for-you PLR coaching program with access for you so you can get a wealth of practical strategies and insider tips that will allow you to empower yourself and your audience to stay ahead of the competition. It includes a comprehensive report, e-cover graphics, sales and delivery pages, lead capture thank you pages, affiliate centers, and affiliate promotional emails, promotional banner graphics, action guide, and a checklist that is quite comprehensive. The front end looks like this. It is anywhere between $13 and $17, depending on when you jump in, and I would suggest that you jump in early. And there are 4 upsells and several downsells, so watch out for them. And if you need to know more, click the second link below and get the full story. And don't forget to check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And in my 5 bonuses, they'll show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain recurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and affiliate marketing made easy with today's trends. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time.